Okay, A10, a little beatered and battered, but she still flies good. I got white paint on my camera so you can see it out there, and I'll be recording when it's up. One motor sounded a little bit funky. I tried balancing it out last night. Got it sounded a little bit better, but we'll see what happens. Nope, sounds like crap still. Oh, that sounds bad. Still fast though. Crazy fast plane. I'll get a bit of altitude and we'll fly by really fast in a second. Up, 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 up. Way up there. Just coasting. Yeah, those motors sound like crap. Yeah, I like fast and full throttle all the time. Imagine it's not being very efficient right now with that motor sounding so bad. Sheep shit. Okay, I'm going to be landing in behind you. Oh, she survived the bounces. Holy crap.